my channel. So today guys, we're here at Davao International Airport. We just arrived here. I'm with my Mao and we'll not stay here in Davao. We'll go to North Cotabato and South Cotabato. I'm very excited. It's another adventure. Woo! This is all DIY guys, so it's a bit challenging for me because I didn't book a hotel in advance. So it's, oh my god. So karon ako naka-try og inani na wala ko nag-book. So what we'll do guys is we'll commute going to SM Ecoland. Join me with this adventure guys and let's go! Third guys, update. So we're now here at the SM Ecoland terminal here in Davao. So it's already 7:10 p.m. guys, and sad to say we're not able to catch the last trip going to Cotabato. First trip is 12 a.m. so yeah, we have to wait until 12 a.m. here. So maybe we didn't book a hotel here, so maybe we'll just find a place where we can nap and wait until the first trip. So we will ride a bus going to Cotabato and then we will drop off to 𝗙𝗧𝗙𝗘. We're currently here in Ecoland Terminal, but since our bus will arrive at 12, the first trip guys is 12 a.m. so we have no choice but to wait here. So you can rent a folding bed. That costs 30 pesos only guys, so which is much better, diba? Compared to when you rent
like that. For how many hours?
Yeah, so compared when you rent a room which will cost 800, at least 800, so better na lang na mag-rent. So yes. Alright guys, so after almost 5 hours of bus ride, we're now here in 𝗙𝗧𝗙𝗘 terminal. So from here guys, we'll ride a habal-habal. We already have a tour guide which is Kuya Yson, so we were just waiting for Kuya Yson to take us to Asik-asik Falls. Yes guys, so if you're coming from Davao, you just ride a bus from Davao Ecoland terminal going to 𝗙𝗧𝗙𝗘 terminal. So the fare guys is 350 pesos. So we have here our habal-habal, our tour guide si Kuya Yson. It's very dark. Sige na, let's go. So from here guys, we'll ride going to Asik-asik, which will take 1.5 hours. Good morning guys! Welcome to Alamada! So this is our tour guide, Kuya Yson. So I will put his number guys on the description if you want to go to Asik-asik or North Cotabato. Yes! So let's go! Right guys, so made it here in the jump off of Asik-asik Falls. So here guys, you can buy your food here. So this is called pastel guys, which is their food here. So look at this guys, it's a rice wrapped with a banana leaf, and this one is, I think this is adobo according to Kuya. So let's taste it guys. So we need to fill our tummy before we go to the Asik-asik Falls because we'll try for like 15 minutes. Kuan siya, rice na nabasa na. Right guys, so the start of our trek going to Asik-asik. Hello! Uy! It's currently 6:50 in the morning. Buntag te! Nakikita mo ba yan? Lahat ng yan, akin yan. Always remember this. Leave no trace. Leave no trash. Leave your boyfriend. Woo! Good luck on ya, ma. Ipasaka.
GG.
Kapoy! Aray! Papanaog pagani na how much more inigpadung na saka. But I can hear the sound of the water. Look at this jungle. Oh, I'm shaking. Gurog yun akong tiil. Welcome to Asik-asik Falls. Yes, guys. So, Asik-asik Falls, guys, is located here in North Cotabato, in Alamada, municipality of Alamada. What a view. Look at this, guys. Whoa! So nice. Hi, Kuya! Oh, speak, Kuya! Introduce yourself. So this is the best tour guide here in North Cotabato, guys. So you should contact him if you want to go to Cotabato. Highly recommended, guys. We'll go down, guys. Tanaw na mo unsa na sa ubos. We took a lot of photos with that background. Oh my goodness. You should visit this place, guys. I swear it's really stunning. Oh, I think this is the most magical waterfalls that I've seen. So guys, so I will take a bath now, guys, and enjoy here. So I will switch to my GoPro. There we go! How are you guys? Come here early, very early, to avoid the crowd. Look at that, oh, it's just us here, no photographers, diba? So just sacrifice your sleep, go here early. So I think we're done here. So after here, guys, we'll trek back to the jump off, and then after we will change and we will go to the Grand Mosque. So guys, nagsugod na og daghan ng tao. Na kami kay muli na mi. We're done here.
Tagbak yan eh.
jungle. Tarzan is here. I'm Jane.
Ah, you monkey.
Oh, no challenge with ka kuya, oh. Kami, hangak mo kayo. Muilong sa mong kalisngag. Woo!
Wala, ari pa ganyan diri.
Nawa guys. Ahak. Kuya.
Sa huli ang pagsisisi.
Anong sinasabi mo?
Wala.
Kuya. Sus, tali arani eh. Ni challenge. Sus. Hey guys, so I think we're halfway pa. Pero grabe, nagkurug-kurug na gila akong Where? Hey guys, so if you're planning to visit Asik-asik Falls, guys, make sure na your legs are ready. So prepare your legs, guys. So the entrance here, guys, in Asik-asik Falls is 30 pesos per person. Ang usa, nagkamang sa kawato. Nakaliusa, sus, effortless. Woo! Kapay! Ano naman? Ihanda ang salon pass kay ang TL. Kapoy kayo siya guys, pero worth it naman sa di mo makita sa ubos. I swear, it's very nice there guys. Right guys, so we're done in Asik-asik Falls. So we're going back to Kuya Yson's house because we left our bags there. Thank you Kuya, nakasave me. It's already 10 AM guys, but